remember that we said that 1 mole of a substance contains 6.02 times 10 power 23 atomic particles. Now, what's the molar mass? Molar mass, this is the mass of 1 mole. So what we call molar mass of any substance, and that is equivalent to molecular mass of anything that we try to equate. So molar mass is the same as the mass of 1 mole of a substance, is the same as 1 mole of a substance. So don't confuse between molar mass and there's something we're going to introduce ourselves as relative atomic mass numbers, but don't confuse. 1 mole of a substance contain these numbers of atomic particles in that substance.